Hey guys, welcome to Things I Learned. My name is Prakash, and today in this video I'm going to show you some basic layup drills so that you can improve your layup skills. Alright, so let's get started. First, do layup from left and right side of the court. You can do like one from right and then pick the ball, go to left and do left, or you can do right 5 times and then 5 times. And another, go near the board and start throwing the ball from both directions. Okay, so that's what we're gonna do. And that's it. Those were some of the drills that you can use to improve your layup skills. And I hope this video was helpful. If you like this video, then please click the like button. If you have any questions or comment, then please write down in the comment box. And if you want to see more of this video, then please consider subscribing. And I'll see you in the next video. Keep smiling and keep playing basketball.